The CNC production department of Shanghai Reliance Alu Co., Ltd. is committed to providing customers with high-quality and high-performance CNC aluminum deep processing products. The company is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, the logistics capital of northern China, with the advantages of the parent company's industrial chain: aluminum melting, aluminum mold, aluminum extrusion, anodizing, powder coating, aluminum surface treatment, CNC deep processing. The company continues to provide high-quality products and services to domestic and foreign customers. Currently, the products are mainly used in aircraft structural parts, rail transit, high-speed train structural components, new energy vehicles, intelligent storage systems, mechanical accessories, 5G communication, furniture and building materials, and other fields. The company's products are exported to more than a dozen countries and regions such as the United States, Germany, Italy, the United Kingdom, Poland, Hungary, the United States, South Korea, Japan, Singapore, and so on. On the basis of inheriting the advanced production technology in the industry, the company has developed dozens of national patented technologies through accumulated experience in aluminum profile and CNC processing for over 10 years. The company adheres to a strict quality management system and has formulated and implemented stricter internal control standards for enterprises in accordance with national standards such as GB. The company has passed ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001-2004 Environmental Management System Certification, and adopts 5S, ERP, and other integrated management modes. Win-win cooperation. All employees of the company adhere to the corporate tenet of quality-oriented, market-oriented, and the business philosophy of brand first, customer satisfaction. We thank the majority of users with high-quality products, preferential prices, and sincere service.